Sun exposure can accelerate aging. It can cause skin burns, erythema, skin cancer, melasma, sunspot, and hyperpigmentation. All of these are triggered by solar ultraviolet radiation. 80% of sun exposure result in skin cancer. UVA's rays make up 95% of all UVA's rays. So these are longer wavelength, so it means that they go into the deeper layer of the skin. It's going to go into the dermis and a little bit into the subcutaneous layer. It's going to generate free radicals, damage collagen fibers and elastin. It's going to cause aging, wrinkles, and it's going to make people tan. UVB rays make up only 5% of all UV rays, but they are very high energy. They have a shorter wavelength, which means that they penetrate into the skin not as deep as UVAs. So they go into the epidermis. They can cause sunburn, DNA damage, heat, and skin cancer. So they're going to damage the skin cells, causing DNA mutation, leading in melanomas and other type of cancer. It might also cause cataracts. What is the difference between chemical sunscreen and physical sunscreen? So first, chemical sunscreen form a thin layer of protection, like a thin film which absorbs the UV radiation before they penetrate into your skin. And these are known as oxybenzone, avobenzone, octinoxate, and octisalate. Okay, the physical sunscreen are physical blockers and they sit on your skin. They're going to work like a mirror. They're going to reflect the sun rays, and like that, the sun rays are not going to hit your skin. So physical blockers are your natural broad spectrum, and they are made of zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So today you're going to find sunscreen in many different products. You're going to find sunscreen in your moisturizers. You're going to find sunscreen in your foundation, in your BB creams, your CC cream. So first you need to stay out of the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Every day, every morning, you need to use an SPF 30 or higher. We are in Texas, so definitely your SPF 50. You're going to have to apply it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, on your lips, your hands, and your arms as well. So wear a hat with a wide brim. Also, UV rays reflect off surface like concrete or water, sand, and snow. So make sure that you apply a very thick layer of sunscreen when you are in those areas. Use broad spectrum SPF, so it means that it's going to ensure the protection from UVAs and UVBs. So apply your sunscreen in the morning 20 to 30 minutes before you go outside, and reapply your sunscreen during the day when you're going to be outside. Let's say that you put your sunscreen in the morning, you go to work, and you go out for lunch, and you're going to be sitting on a terrace in a cafe. Make sure that before you go to lunch, you reapply your sunscreen.